Artificial intelligence is changing the way work gets done. Instead of completing every task manually, people are now using AI agents that can research, create, analyze, and publish information automatically. These systems combine multiple tools into a single workflow, allowing businesses and creators to save time, scale their work, and even generate income with minimal effort. Below are several examples of AI agents that are being used today for automation, marketing, research, and digital product creation. AI Content Automation Agent. An AI content automation agent is designed to create, schedule, and distribute digital content with minimal human involvement. These agents connect tools like text generators, image creators, and social media schedulers into one automated workflow. For example, a creator might set up an agent that researches trending topics, writes blog posts, generates images, and publishes the content automatically to websites or social platforms. Businesses began experimenting with this kind of automation in the early 2020s when generative AI became widely accessible. What makes these agents valuable is their ability to operate continuously, producing content that attracts traffic, which can then generate revenue through ads, affiliate links, or digital products. AI Affiliate Marketing Agent. An AI affiliate marketing agent focuses on finding profitable products and promoting them automatically. It can scan marketplaces like Amazon, software directories, or digital product platforms to identify trending items with strong demand. After identifying opportunities, the agent can generate review articles, comparison pages, or promotional posts that include affiliate links. The concept builds on the traditional affiliate marketing model that has existed for decades, but automation significantly reduces the time needed to research and publish content. When properly configured, the agent can update product lists, track price changes, and refresh content regularly, allowing a website to generate passive commissions over time. AI YouTube Automation Agent. An AI YouTube automation agent manages most parts of the video creation process. It can research trending video ideas, generate scripts, create voiceovers, and even assemble basic visuals using stock footage or AI-generated graphics. Channels using this approach often focus on explainer content, list-style videos, or educational topics that follow a consistent structure. In recent years, content creators have begun building systems where the agent produces multiple videos each week with very little manual effort. The value comes from scaling production. With enough consistent uploads, the channel can generate advertising revenue and sponsorship opportunities while the automated workflow keeps the content pipeline moving. An AI trading research agent gathers financial data, analyzes trends, and produces reports that traders can use to make decisions. Instead of executing trades directly, many of these agents focus on scanning market news, monitoring indicators, and summarizing patterns across stocks or cryptocurrencies. Financial firms have used algorithmic analysis for decades, but modern AI agents can interpret large volumes of unstructured information, including social media discussions or economic reports. Some creators package the insights generated by these agents into paid newsletters or subscription dashboards, turning automated research into a recurring revenue stream. AI Lead Generation Agent. An AI lead generation agent searches the internet for potential customers and organizes contact information for businesses. It can scan websites, directories, and professional networks to identify companies that may need a specific service. Once the information is collected, the agent can automatically draft personalized outreach emails or messages. Lead generation has long been a core part of sales operations, but automation allows individuals to operate at a much larger scale. Entrepreneurs often sell these qualified leads to agencies, consultants, or local service providers who are willing to pay for a steady stream of potential clients. AI Customer Support Agent. An AI customer support agent handles routine customer questions without human involvement. These agents are commonly integrated into websites, messaging apps, or e-commerce platforms. When a user asks about shipping times, product details, or refunds, the agent retrieves the relevant information and provides a clear response. Companies began adopting automated support systems years ago, but newer AI models can understand natural language much more effectively. Some entrepreneurs create specialized support agents for small businesses and charge a monthly subscription fee for hosting and maintaining the system. AI Digital Product Creation Agent. An AI digital product creation agent focuses on producing sellable digital assets such as ebooks, templates, online courses, or design packs. It can research a niche, generate structured content, and format the material for online marketplaces. Digital products have become increasingly popular because they can be sold repeatedly without additional production costs. By automating research, writing, and formatting, the agent reduces the time needed to launch new products. Creators often distribute these assets through online stores, course platforms, or marketplaces where each sale produces passive income. AI Data Analysis Agent. An AI data analysis agent processes large data sets and converts them into insights or visual reports. Businesses collect massive amounts of information, but often lack the time or expertise to interpret it. These agents can analyze sales trends, customer behavior, or marketing performance, and generate clear summaries. Data analysis has traditionally required specialized skills, but AI systems are gradually lowering that barrier. Some professionals monetize this capability by offering automated analytics dashboards to companies that want regular reports without hiring full-time analysts. AI App Building Agent. An AI app building agent assists in designing and assembling simple software tools. Using modern development frameworks and code generation models, the agent can help create basic web applications, calculators, or productivity tools. Entrepreneurs often use these agents to build small niche utilities that attract traffic. For example, a single-purpose calculator or online tool might earn revenue through ads or premium upgrades. What once required a full development team can now be handled by automated systems that generate code, test functionality, and deploy updates. AI Research and Trend Analysis Agent. An AI research and trend analysis agent scans news sources, online forums, and social platforms to identify emerging ideas before they become widely known. The agent summarizes discussions, detects rising keywords, and highlights patterns in consumer interest. Market researchers and content creators use these insights to stay ahead of trends. Some entrepreneurs transform the information into paid reports or subscription newsletters. The value lies in speed. By continuously monitoring thousands of information sources, the agent can spot shifts in attention long before traditional reports are published. AI agents are becoming powerful tools for automation, creativity, and business growth. As technology continues to evolve, These systems will play an even bigger role in helping individuals and organizations work smarter, produce faster, and discover new opportunities in the digital world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting videos.